This is the learning objectives for Module 7 by Dr. Bev Knox, titled Learning and Cognitive Theories. We will review Skinner's behavioral analysis and Bandura's social cognitive theory. Learning at its core is the acquisition and modification of knowledge structures. Cognitive theories of learning offer a framework for understanding the underlying mental processes involved in this complex process. They move beyond simple stimulus-response models to explore how individuals encode, process, store, and retrieve information, and how these cognitive mechanisms ultimately shape behavior. Cognitive learning theories position the mind as an active information processor. They emphasize mental structures like schemas, cognitive maps, and mental models. These theories explore the interplay of perception, how sensory input is interpreted and organized; attention, the selective allocation of cognitive resources to relevant information; memory, the encoding, storage, and retrieval of information, e.g., sensory memory, short-term memory, long-term memory; problem solving, using cognitive processes to overcome obstacles and achieve goals; and language, the use of symbolic systems for communication and thought. Operant conditioning is a type of learning where behavior is shaped by its consequences. When an action is followed by a reward, we're more likely to repeat it. When it's followed by a punishment, we tend to avoid it. Psychologist B.F. Skinner showed that this process, through rewards and consequence, helps explain how habits form, how animals learn tricks, and even how humans are motivated at school and work. Social cognitive theory is a psychological theory that emphasizes how people learn by observing others, a process known as observational learning. It posits that behavior is shaped by a dynamic and reciprocal interaction between an individual's personal factors like beliefs and self-efficacy, their behavior, and their environment. Key concepts include self-efficacy, observational learning, and the idea that individuals have agency and can self-regulate their actions.